Hi, I'm Vincent Fernandez. I welcome you to this video demo for the Lumenpower LP-PP04 LED driver board. Out here I have 3 demos lined up, and this is a 2-part video. In the first part we will be talking about the capabilities of the board and also the DMX demo. The next part we shall look at 2 other demos, basically 2 different types of masters that can be connected to the same board. So we shall move on with the details of this board. As you can see, we have a nice neat small board, very compact, and we have right now 4 LEDs connected to it, R, G, B and W. We also have a terminal for the power supply input. This is a single power supply. It can go from 12 volts to 30 volts. That's depending on the number of LEDs you intend to connect. Besides that, it's got one more terminal connection for the DMX input right now. Later on this can be configured to take in another master. The board is very compact, it has very few components, so there's very less that can go wrong with it. Then we also have the second demo, which I will demo later, but this one can be configured as a master and as a slave, or just work as an individual board. And lastly, we have again the same board that I showed you earlier. This one right now is configured to work as a slave, but it can be configured as a master. Right now, that is the LED driver board, by the way, but this is what is going to control it right now. This is the Cypress CY3269 LED lighting starter demonstration kit. It's a very interesting kit, and I will tell you more about it when we come back to it in the second part of the video. So right now we will go back to the first demo, that is the DMX, and I'll just turn off the lights so we can see the colors of the LED better. And okay, right now the address on the driver board is set to 1. That means channel number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of the DMX are assigned to channel number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of the LED driver board. So channel number 1 on the DMX right now has a red LED connected to it. The LED can be a string of up to 8 on each channel, which makes it 32 LEDs in total. And the last channel, that is the white. The board currently does not have any pre-programmed sequences or pre-programmed demo on it, so it will run only through a DMX master. So all the inputs to it have to come from a DMX master as of now, and we can even have like this particular master has some pre-programmed sequences in it, and just reduce the overall intensity of the master slider on the DMX board, and we can see change the sequence, and now we should have the white in. Yes, we have the white. And there you have it, the LP-PP04 working on a DMX 512 master.